Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Spotify Shuffle Play. But before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So first, what you want to do is open up Spotify, and let's say that you have music playing, and basically on the bottom left you have this shuffle thingy, and basically to turn it off you just have to click on it. Now it's Smart Shuffle, click on it again, and then it's turned off. So if it's gray or white like this, now it's turned off. If it's green, it's turned off, and you can do this a bunch of times or however you like it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.